It's a 2018 Honda Civic hatchback. It was thoughtfully designed, yet is rebellious by nature, creating an energetic and unmistakable drive. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Road and Track writes, driving even the base version of this new Civic transports you back to a time when Hondas were actually sporty, cool, and even fun to drive. Every Honda is designed with a driver in mind. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.